So I'm here from South Gloucester Parent Carer Forum, and I'm working with my colleagues in Bristol and North Somerset Parent Forums, and together we're working on the Neurodiversity Transformation Project. This is a project that we are very, very passionate about, because what we're doing is we're raising the voices of our families that we're supporting across Bristol, North Somerset and South Gloucestershire. One of the concepts that we are working on at the moment is looking at how we can meet the needs of children much, much earlier on, rather than them being left on a waiting list and no support. So something that we are working on now is a pilot to look at a neurodiversity transformation toolkit. The toolkit is something that's been designed in Portsmouth and it's been working really, really well. So we're keen to bring it into Bristol, North Somerset and South Gloucestershire to see if we can actually make a difference to those children and young people's lives much, much earlier on. Because it's all about identifying needs. Now, the Parent Care Forums are very, very, have been representing our families, because what's important to us is that this complements the assessment service as well. What we're concerned about at the moment are our families are waiting incredibly long times to get an assessment for a diagnosis. And what our families are trying to do are seeking answers, and they're trying to understand their child's needs. So the Neurodiversity Profiling Toolkit will be able to help identify needs much, much earlier. So I'm here today at Emerson's Green Village Hall, where we have actually got some training that is happening today. So Serona are delivering training to the school Senkos. In terms of Bristol, North Somerset and South Gloucestershire, the project is going to be piloting 42 schools. And in South Gloucestershire, that is 11 schools. So we're really excited to be supporting this training today, because if we can help those families, then that means our voices are being heard. It's been amazing, the community support as well that we're getting on this project. And as I've just said, I'm here today at Emerson's Green Village Hall, and they are, I want to give my personal thanks to them and to the Emerson's Green Town Council, and also to Yate Town Council, who did offer a free venue to enable this training to help, because we can't do this project working in silos. We have to work together in partnership. So I think that's really, really exciting to be part of that project. So also, for the 3 Parent Carer Forums, I think what's important for us now is the evaluation of this project, because this is a pilot. We will certainly be wanting to speak to families, our families that are on part of this project, to see what difference it's made for them. The project group that we're also co-chairing will also want to know how did it feel for the schools that were delivering the work, and then we can evaluate it and see what happens from the testing. So I guess my sort of lasting message is that it's great that we are all working together, not in silos, to try and make a difference for the families and those children and young people.